In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can rotate your computer or laptop screen back to normal if it's been flipped or turned sideways, or just rotate it in general. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but there's multiple methods to do this. Let's go ahead and try the first method first, which is a keyboard shortcut. So go ahead and hold down Control Alt and then press one of the arrow keys. The up arrow is going to be normal. The down arrow is going to be upside down. Left arrow is rotated left and right arrow is rotated right. For some system, you may have to just hit Control Alt up and that'll return the screen to normal. If that doesn't work though, like mine didn't work right now, we're going to move on to the next method because you might have just had that setting turned off like I did. But essentially move your cursor to an empty area on your desktop and right click, and then from here find display settings on this section. Select it. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And once you're on this page, you need to scroll down to the drop down menu that says display orientation, and you could go ahead and adjust it in this section as well. Like as you can see, we just flipped it right here and now it's completely inverted, so let's actually revert it because that is awful. But it really is as simple as that. If you want it to just be normal, keep it on landscape, or you can adjust it accordingly in this section as well. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.